So let's move further. So now we will be posting the actual data to our Mongo database. So let's see how we can do this. So I'll get rid of this, right? Now I need to require mongoose, M-O-N-G-O-O-S-E, mongoose equal to require require, or not this, require require and mongoose, and we will be making use of a user model, right? So I'll here write const user, and to use that model again we can make use of this mongoose dot model and the name of that model, that is user, right? Yeah, you can see that in this user we have given this a user, right? So yeah, make sure the name is same, right? Here and here, right? It has a capital U. Okay, save it. Now we can use this user model, right? And here we can attach, or we can use a method that is find one, right? Here I'll be writing email, so we'll be finding a user with the email which we are getting from our front end, right? So we are querying our database with the key email, which value, and the value of that is equal to which we are getting, right? So we are finding the user in our database with the email, right? If now here we can chain on then, right? I'll explain you code, right? Just wait for a few seconds. I'll explain you what this code is doing. Here we will be getting saved user, right? And here if we have got saved user, then we will throw an error. So I can copy this, Control C, Control V, and here I can write error, and that is user ALREA already exist with that email, right? Okay, so we are querying in our with our database, and we are finding with this email user with the email. If we got that user with the email, right? If we got that user with the email, right? So we are throwing an error, right? That user already exists with that email. Now else we can save that data, right? So we can save the data to the database, right? So for that I can make a const user, right? So we what all fields we will be saving. So I'll here write a new and the user model, right? And in here we can write all the fields which we are going to store, right? So we'll be storing email in our database, and this email will be equal to this email which we are receiving. So email will be equal to email, and again you can see this key and the name both are same, so I can just condense it down to just email, right? Here I'll be storing a PASS password as well, and I'll be storing name as well, like so. Now in order to save this, we can call this save method from user. So I can call user.save, like so. And if the user is successfully saved, we can chain on dot then, right? And then here we will be getting user, right? And we can send a JSON response with a message saved successfully, right? Or we can, if we got an error, so we can chain on the catch blocks, catch, and it will have an error, right? And for now we can just console.log that error if we got some error, right? Console, like so. And we can chain on the catch block with this then also, right? So where is it? It is ending, right? Okay, so here we can chain on another then, right? Another catch dot ca. I think not here, I think here, right? Yeah, here I can add dot catch, right? So this is basically an ending for our route, right? This is an ending for our route. So yeah, this one, right? Okay, catch and error console.log the error, like so. Okay, so I think we should test this, right? So let's save this, right? And we will be going to the postman. We will be writing here password 12345, and I will click on the send, and I will wait for a response. And here you can see it is showing saved successfully. Now let's go to our Mongo database, right? Let's close this, and here click on this collection, and it's loading. So here we can see we have this user. Inside this user we have this name, password, and email, password and name. Oh, so we have successfully saved user onto our database. So this was beautiful, isn't it? So this was amazing, like this was a fun to do, right? But there is a little issue. There is a little issue. Here we can see the password of that user. Oh my god. So if someone got access to our database, then they can see the user credentials, they can see the password, because we have stored this password in a plain text. So this is a big issue, right? This is a big issue. We should never store the password in this plain text, right? So in the next video we will be learning how we can hash the password and we can save the hash password in the database. So I'll see you guys in the very next video.